In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up OneDrive for local sync and backup. We'll guide you through this straightforward process that promises to keep your files secure and conveniently accessible. Let's dive right in. First, you need to locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray. This icon typically resides in the bottom right corner of your screen on the taskbar. If at first glance you can't find it, don't worry, it's likely among the hidden icons. Click on the small upwards arrow to reveal these, and there it should be. Once you've spotted the cloud icon, give it a single click. A small window will pop up, presenting the option to open OneDrive settings. With the settings window open, look for the Settings option and click on it. This action will bring up a new set of tabs, each containing various functionalities. Your interest lies in the Sync and Backup tab, which is specifically crafted to manage synchronization and backup preferences on your device. Once you've reached this tab, select Manage Backup. Here is where you'll decide which of your folders will be backed up to OneDrive. Upon selecting Manage Backup, you'll see a list of folders marked for backup. Typically, this list includes essentials like desktop, documents, and pictures. If there are additional folders you'd like to secure, simply toggle them on by clicking the switch next to each category. This is a good opportunity to double-check your selections, ensuring that everything important is safely set to backup. In the event you change your mind or no longer wish to back up a specific folder, you can easily stop the backup by toggling the switch off. This flexibility offers you complete control over your backup preferences. Don't forget, once you're happy with all the adjustments, click Save Changes to store your selections. This ensures that OneDrive knows precisely which files to manage on your behalf. If your goal is to sync specific OneDrive folders directly with your local device, head over to the Account tab in the settings. There, you'll locate the Choose Folders option. Clicking this will display all the folders available for syncing. By checking or unchecking the boxes next to these folders, you can fine-tune your OneDrive storage to suit your personal needs, ensuring only the necessary files are synced to your local device. Once you're satisfied with your syncing preferences, simply click OK to apply the changes. And there you have it, your OneDrive setup for local sync and backup is complete. This simple process not only helps secure your data but also makes it readily accessible, providing you with peace of mind and convenience.